So I'm now on the eastern side of Moreton Island, a vast beach. So I'm now going to demonstrate liquefaction, which is what happens in an earthquake where the ground becomes liquefied and buildings can sink down and cars can sink down, but submerged objects can actually rise up out of the ground, things like tanks. Now here I'm standing on a wet beach, or maybe go a bit forward so it's a bit wetter, and it's fairly stable. I'm not sinking down. But look what happens when I stop and wiggle my toes, my feet, I'm sinking down, you see there? And that's because the shear forces have separated the sand, allowing the water to get in there, and so less buoyant. So I'm now really sinking in quite deep there. So that's liquefaction.